What's up everyone? So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a tailgate lock on one of these 3rd gen Rams. So it could be a 1500, 2500, 3500, an SRT-10. It's all the same latch on the back, and that is this one here. So this is the one I went with. It's made by Bully, so I'll link this in the description down below. But it's nice because it looks factory, except underneath it has a key. So on this particular vehicle, it comes with the factory tonneau cover, and it does actually lock from the inside. So as soon as I get this replaced, then this whole storage area will be actually locked. So it's going to be nice because, like I said, you can't open this without opening the tailgate, but Dodge never included a lock on this. So anyways, that's the plan. We're going to open this and we're going to remove all of these T30 Torx on the back. You're probably going to have the plastic similar to that, but on this particular vehicle it doesn't have it. So we're going to remove all of these Torx here so we can get at the latch from the inside. All right, so now that all our screws are out, we can remove this panel and we'll put it out of our way. And now we're going to see the latch. So once you remove that, you're gonna see just 2 8mm screws, and you don't have to mess with any of the mechanism, which is nice. You're just gonna remove the 2 8mm nuts, which is gonna remove the actual latch itself. So we'll remove those 2, and the handle should pretty well fall out the front. It's pretty nice the way it works. It's just a piece of plastic that moves this arm, which engages these 2 here. So you can kind of see the operation. It's just this piece of plastic is turning this mechanism here. So remove these 2 nuts. Our handle's gonna fall out the front of the tailgate here, like so. And there is our old stock latch with no lock in it. So we'll go ahead and we'll open up the package. You can see it comes with 2 keys in the back, and we'll install this. Okay, so just before we install it, I'll show you the operation out. So you'll see the keyhole in the back, right? So the way it works is when this lifts up, there's a little lock in the middle that prevents it from actually opening. So when you put the key in here and you turn the lock to engage it, it puts this little latch here so you can't actually open it. So we'll go ahead, we'll open it, and then we'll install it. So we're just gonna slip in like so. Then we're gonna grab our 2 8mm nuts again, put them back over top. All right, so now we'll go ahead and just tighten our 8mm nuts. Nothing too crazy because you're just pulling against plastic, but reasonably snug. And then we can go ahead and put our panel back in. All right, so now all of our screws are in place. We can go ahead and close this, and just like so, this is what it looks like. Like I said, you can barely tell from the back that it has a lock on it, but then you get down here and you can see it underneath. So there's our proper operation. And if we grab our key, here's our key. Go ahead and insert it. We turn it 90 degrees, and then all of a sudden, this is now locked. So that's it. And then we unlock it, 90 degrees, and we're back in business. All right, guys, so that's how you install a tailgate lock on one of these 3rd gens. I liked this product because it looked as close to factory as possible. There's some other ones where you can actually physically see the lock, but I like this one. Like I said, pretty much a stock look, but it gives you that added security. It's super easy to install, and it seems to work. I'll keep you guys updated if that changes, or my honest opinion, but as of right now, I'm happy with it. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for a lot more videos along the way. We have 3rd gen content on these Rams, 4th gen, and a lot more on the way. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.